Hello everyone, how are you doing? I am back with the video, but I'm going to do something new today. I have my Pioneer Woman coffee mug ready, and right here, it's a rainy day here. It's rainy and crappy out, but so I'm going to do a mug treat, rainbow chip cake mix with rainbow chip frosting. In this box, there's 4 mix pouches and 4 frosting pouches. It's by Betty Crocker. And you make it in the mug. So you don't need your oven. You don't, just a microwave. So let's get started. On the back of the box, it says things you will need. Milk and a mug. So empty cake mix into microwave safe 9 to 12 ounce mug. So here's the cake mix. And we're going to put it in the mug. Smells so good. Okay. All of that's in there. Now, add 3 tablespoons of milk or water and stir until cake mix is well blended. About 30 seconds. So, I am going to use milk. I just prefer to use milk. So, I have a teaspoon. So, 2 teaspoons equals a tablespoon. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 2 and 3. Okay. About 30 seconds, it says. Okay, now just scrape the sides so it can all get down there. So there's what it looks like in there. Okay. And I'm going to microwave this for uncovered for 1 minute and 15 seconds. I'll be back. Alright, 1 minute and 15 seconds went by, but you didn't know it, did you? Okay, so this is what it... Ooh, hot tamales. This is what it looks like after. And it says, squeeze topping over cake. Let stand 2 minutes to complete cooking. So we're going to open this. The frosting. If we can get it open here. If we can get it open. Maybe it's this end. No, maybe it's not this end. Let me get a knife, you guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to spread it evenly. Don't touch the top of the, or the sides of the cup because it's very hot. Just going to spread this around evenly. Okay. what it looks like. The frosting is really good. So I'll be back in. Alright everyone, let's try it. Ooh, it's nice and... Oops. That's what it looks like. It is good, but it's dry, really dry. So if you guys want just like one piece of cake in a coffee mug, this is for you. It's a little dry, but it's not too bad. So I will give these a try. And the next one I'll be doing tomorrow is caramel brownie mix. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.